The 1994 Mazda B-Series truck. Enjoy the maneuverability of a car and the functionality of a pickup with the Mazda B-Series truck. It boasts one of the best fuel economies in its class, 26 mpg, and comes equipped for either big jobs or bigger jobs. The B-Series is a solid performer. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, cruise control, ABS four-wheel, AM/FM stereo radio, power door locks, power windows, intermittent wipers, front reading lamps, cloth seats, front disc rear drum brakes, power driver mirror, passenger vanity mirror, steel wheels, split bench seat, cassette, sliding rear window, tires rear all-terrain. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.